How to change username on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Settings option. Further, from the left side menu bar, you will see the Users and Groups option. Tap on that. Now, tap on the eye icon or the info icon beside the username whose username you want to change. Now, in the pop-up that appears, you will see the username tab, so tap on that and further erase the existing name and make the necessary changes. Once the changes has been made, tap on OK, and with this, in the other pop-up that appears, you will be required to enter your MacBook's password for verification purpose. So go ahead and enter your MacBook's password and then tap on the unlock button, and with this, the username will be changed as you can see here. So, this is how you can change username on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.